Alright, now in this one we're going to look at how just some basic examples of subtracting integers. So what we're going to do is we're going to change the subtraction into addition, and then we can use what we know about adding integers to finish that off. So what we're going to do is we're going to change the subtraction to addition, and then whatever number we were subtracting, we're going to take the opposite of it. So the opposite just means to switch the sign. So let's take a look at an example or two. I think more than two, maybe three or four. Okay, so let's say we're going to do 3 minus 7. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to change that subtraction into addition. So we're going to change that to 3 plus, but we have to change the 7 into a negative 7. So it becomes 3 plus negative 7. The parentheses there are not required. I'm just putting them there just for extra emphasis. Now it's just like when we add integers, we have opposite signs. We're going to find the difference. So the difference between 3 and 7 is 4, and the 7 is larger, so we keep the sign, which is a negative. So we have negative 4. Okay. We'll take a look at another one. Say we have 5 minus negative 8. Okay. And we're going to change that subtraction. So there's a little bit different here. One's a subtraction and one's a negative sign, so they're a little bit different. So we're going to change that subtraction into addition, and when we do that, we need to change the sign of the negative 8, which we will make it positive 8. So it becomes 5, and then plus positive 8. So they are both positive when we're adding, so we just add the numbers. We get positive 13. Take a look at another one. We'll do 12 minus 9 minus negative 7. Okay, and we're just going to change those subtraction signs into addition. So this becomes 12 plus. I'm just going to write it in first, and then I'm going to change the signs. That minus becomes plus. So it'll be plus negative 9, and then plus positive 7. So we switch the signs there. Okay. I'm going to add the 12 and the negative 9. Okay, they're opposite signs, so we're going to find the difference, which is 3. The positive number is larger, so it's going to be positive 3. And then plus positive 7, which is positive 10. Okay. And then finally, we'll pull out all the stops and do something a little bit crazier. 1 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5. So what we're going to do is rewrite, and then we're going to change all those subtractions into addition, and then we need to take the opposite. So if I were subtracting 3, it's the same as adding negative 3. If I'm subtracting 4, it's the same thing as adding negative 4. If I'm subtracting 5, it's the same thing as adding negative 5. Okay. Then I'm going to add the 1 and the negative 3, so that's going to be negative 2. And I'm going to add the negative 4 and the negative 5, which is going to be negative 9. And that will give me a negative 11 for the final sum of this problem.